Matty is trying to record his stomach growls with his phone.
Like it wants to do it. I think when I think about it. Come on. Laughing screws it up, I think.
Where are you holding the phone?
Like at my stomach. Come on, man. It so wants to do
You're
it.
trying to catch your stomach making the gurgle noise.
It's growling so loud it's offensive. It's like literally offensive.
So you want to get it on...
I want to have a recording of it.
How long are we sitting here until this happens?
It's been before. No.
Why don't you stand up and sit down again?
Yeah, all right. Ready? Okay. Everyone quiet. Hold on.
Everyone quiet. It's the two of us in the office.
That's literally what it sounds like.
We're audio professionals. We can manufacture the sound.
I know.
But you want real stomach noises.
I want real, because it's loud. We were having a conversation. It was like louder than either of our voices. Oh. I think I'm killing it with the laughing. It like stops its flow.
Would you like to be serious?
Oh, I stood up last time I started doing it.
Tell me your biggest fears.
Me not being able to capture this on video or audio, because I've wasted now an hour of my day.
Let's see if we can hear it.
I just did it.
I don't believe you.
It just did it. It's standing. I'm sitting down. All right, let me try this. Ready? Shut it off.
I heard it. I heard it. He went. I can't say it was worth it.
No, I used that a lot. A lot of waiting around wasn't very worth it.